Hey YouTube, welcome back. We're back for spring of 2023 finally. Supposed to do this starting Friday, but it got nice early. Today's April the 3rd or 4th, 2023. And I'm going to try to get rest of this car tore apart. The attempt is to replace the head gaskets coming up, do some fuel line brake work, bearings, good stuff like that. So, we're back for the auto repair. Now, the days I won't be out here, if it's real cool, real windy, or if you don't see videos airing, it's because of the weather. Because like tomorrow, our cat goes in to get fixed, and it's supposed to, of course, rain all damn day. So we just got home from the store, and I decided to work a little bit today, and I ain't got the hood open yet. But I'm back for the automotive repairs of the 97 Chevy Malibu. We're going to attempt to try to save this engine and head if I can, or should I say heads. I don't think it's the block or anything, is because it didn't leak or nothing. It's just like oil in the coolant, and the coolant was real bad when I got it. So I'm taking it upon myself to repair this whole damn car before it's driven. Okay. You may or may not see me. I may have to go like this because my tripod's only a certain length. But I will try to get it best I can, guys. Yeah, I had to cover the whole engine and block up because for some reason why my coolant and the antifreeze bottle drained itself. I think there's still some in the radiator yet and the hoses. Not 100% until I start taking apart the engine. But now is the unveiling of hopefully the rebuild process, guys. Okay, that's why I use rags, everything, to keep my shit clean. And I'm gonna stuff these in the damn back seat, guys. Okay.
Sweet tea. Sweet tea.
Yep. I'm still in here, guys. I'm just stuffing these in the damn back seat for underneath of the car, or if I need them. As you can see, I got my refrigerator cart here with some tools in it. They gave me authorization to fix the vehicle. You're not really supposed to work on them here, but I told them I'd go ahead and get it done. Hopefully I can save this engine, guys, and head and everything. I won't know much until I get the heads off and everything down to the block. I gotta take this upper intake off. Then I gotta get the fuel injection rail off, the lower intake, then hopefully the damn front exhaust comes off, where I can unbolt the fucking heads. Got my own shop rags too. Got them in Vietnam, a little cheaper, and I think a little over $11 something a box. Got 2 of these bastards, and the guy had them shipped and sent by the next day. So I think he went like through Walmart. Shop towels reusable. Got some rubber gloves to help with the oil and grease. Got my work gloves. Everything all ready to go. Got some penetrating spray WD-40 I bought in Cincinnati on eBay for like $13 a can. Hard to reach spaces. Good shit to have. And I got my refrigerator cart that I did a review on. My Costco one I had to go clear to damn Toledo to get because Finley's Lowe's were out of them that time. All right. Oh. Yeah, you're yeah. This ain't all the tools I got, guys. I just had to load up this toolbox with some stuff in it that I thought I would need. for the automotive repair. I still got to do some welding yet, brakes. I still got brakes on this side yet to put on. I got the pads in the house. The bearings, I got to order for this side. That side's completed, all but the rotors I got to do. I got to rebuild the brakes in the back and fix the fuel lines. And also weld a new muffler on.
Hey guys.
So I think we're ready to rock and roll. Ooh. For our attempt, what I'm going to do is remove some of these bolts. And I got paint markers. If they are longer than the other ones, I'll put a certain painting on the top manifold of the bolts, and certain ones for the short, certain ones for the long. I'll mark them.
And I may use some iced tea.
Yeah.
That's why I brought out and you say no.
So first we got to see what size these bastards are.
I think next, yep.
Universal sockets, they work wonders.
I was going to say, I think next one up.
You guys ready to crank it and wrench it?
We're hanging, get something going.
All right, you better. Or I'll be eating you for lunch. What's nice about these guys, handles you punch out, rags you pull out, and you don't have to worry about washing them after they get dirty, just pitch them. They're cheap enough. Hell, you get 300 rags a box. Hell, I got 2 boxes of 600 of them suckers. I still got a little bit yet to remove, guys, but, you know, it's probably going to take a while to get this stuff pulled out. I'm not 100% on that yet. Ooh. Now, I'm hoping these are all the same bolts, but not 100%. That's why you keep paint markers like what I got. Or if you don't have them, sometimes you can use a bright permanent marker, like a Sharpie. These back ones here all should be the same. Okay. That one is. I gotta use a deep well for these. These are nuts in the back. Y'all are stuffing rags and paper towels everywhere, guys. Keep this shit fresh for winter. Yeah, we're good in the back. I just gotta get a deep socket. Like I think a 10 millimeter, I believe. It ain't a 10, guys. It sure in hell's 11. We'll figure it out. That's what's nice about this double-ended wrench. 3/8 quarter. Plus it swivels. That's probably like a 12 or 13. You see here, I'll let you know. 13, guys. So it's nice, reversible, flexible handle. Basically, you got 2 socket wrenches in one. For you guys over here. All right. Damn studs come with it, so it's like a stud nut type. Sorry about that, guys. Music. I'll be back, guys. I gotta grab a 7mm. I gotta grab a 1 socket. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't find a damn socket that fit them. Screwed in the back. I didn't get it. I'll let you know the size once I find it. I found it. Looks like it's 7.5. That would probably go to 7.5. I forgot about them damn little small screws back there. I would have had that. Give it. So we got to unbolt this. Before I can even unbolt the rest of the manifold. Now this don't suck. That's one thing nice about having a swivel. Now we can get underneath and unbolt the last two damn bolts. We're going to switch our wrench out from a quarter to a 3/8. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. All right, that's 3. Yeah, I got cylinders marked on top. All right. Slip this fitting off. Just got to kind of wiggle it. If they don't come off, you can always use like a screwdriver or something, a little spray or something to help lubricate them. Sorry about the music, guys. Wasn't my damn fault. I better not get demonetized because somebody else's crap. I should have brought up my battery impact gun, but I forgot to grab it. It's alright, they're all loose. Take a little bit out each time. Yeah, I would think all the bolts are out, but you got to kind of look around to make sure. I gotta see if this wiggles here to get it off. Alright. There's your intake, guys. I usually leave that in the car. This pipe here, this is the bleeder valve for the antifreeze. I'm gonna buy a new one. This one here is a bitch. You gotta like hammer the bottom of it up to get it off. Then you gotta get all these goddamn fuel rail bolts out. So take put the head bolt, or yeah, the head bolt, I'm alright. All these damn bolts back in so you don't lose where they go. Just take it out in one piece. This way it kind of marks them if you don't have a paint marker, which I do. So far the car looks good in there. Another thing I'm getting too, guys, is a borescope that plugs into your phone so you can see down and shit your human eyeballs can't fucking see. I got started good enough they can come out. Hey, YouTube. Look at that. There's the top intake plenum. You see, it don't look really too bad in there, actually. There's a fuel injection rail. That's be pulled to lower intake. Once that gets pulled, bang, we can undo these exhaust bolts in front, rear. Hopefully they come out. Bang, we can get the heads pulled. I got my cigarette ash can my wife bought me. It's called Jumbo Butt Bucket. Oh yeah, shuck full. Now all them lousy goddamn people you threw in the dirt and dumpster, I'm back, bitches. I'm back now, bitches. So shuck full, pass this on to your job, the one you knocked out to get and got thrown in jail, buddy. So your boy's back for 2023 car repairs. And there's going to be several parts to these videos. I'm titled and dated as I go along, plus the PT and the number for the part number. All right. Not for sure if this is a 10 or what. Yeah, they look like number 10s. Just tenors. Yeah, I'm down to the fuel injection rail now, boys. But I gotta put some penetrating lube near this gas line. While I fucking unbolt some stuff here. That's what's nice. Flexible straw. And it won't fall off. But that's soaked just a bit. Don't need much. Uh, Thanks to me, my wife, and my mother for helping us save up, all three of us save up the money. And thanks to my dad for getting the car and what was left out of the car money. When he bought it for $500, I got some of the front end work already done. For really four of us. I gotta figure out how to take out this fuel rail because each thing is different. Make sure all the lines go. Alright. That pipe goes there. I go toward the power steering. I think we're almost free. Alright. Alright. I hope. I gotta cross it right here. I just hope I gotta break this damn line loose quick. And before you break the line, unscrew this valve cap if you got one, release the pressure off the fuel. But if the yeah, I forgot to put a bolt right here. If you unhook your battery or unhook your fuel pump fuse underneath your fuse box or relay, that will take the pressure off as well. But there ain't much pressure in this because I checked it, the pressure's dead because the ignition's off. The battery's been out for about 4 or 5 damn months. I use my butt bucket so they can't get me for littering. I got the nut loose. All you should be able to do is just lift up. I hope. Alright, move this out of the way here. Oh, this is your fuel injection. I could probably just lift this, maybe set it right over. I'm hopefully hoping. But sometimes these can be a bitch because it's due to where they ain't been out and there's O-rings that's on your fuel injection. Now when you take those out, you want to make sure you get them on right, and you need like a pick set to re-put new O-rings on, but the O-rings are good. I won't recommend them. And the way you lubricate them, don't use grease or nothing or Vaseline. get you some gas in the gas can. I ain't got none now, but I'm gonna get some to fill up the tank with check for leaks. But what you want to go ahead and do is lubricate just a dab of gasoline, fresh gasoline, on the O-rings before you set them down in. Because grease or anything can deteriorate them because of where the rubber. Okay. And somehow, you got to be real careful of these. Somehow, at times, you got to use some type of pry bar. Just wiggle and jiggle so they pull free. Okay. You don't need excessive force. It's kind of like pulling a tooth, but only ain't numbing up somebody. Okay. All you need is just a little pry bar, a little finagling work. Don't damage your gasket seals or nothing, because then you'll leak. You got to kind of finagle. Okay. Wiggle and finagle. That's what I gotta do. Okay. They'll eventually come. I don't know where you get your cars at, but where I get mine at, they come all bolted together. Okay. You can't get these in there sometimes. You can always use a screwdriver. You gotta kind of keep wiggling. They are stuck. You can put maybe a little WD-40 around them, but not much. Okay. Sometimes your injectors are stick. So, that shouldn't hurt. You just wipe them off. Don't need much. Don't need to go crazy on them. They'll suck for a few. How beautiful is this job today, man? No rain. I think we finally got the snow over. Well, it's not raining today, but it could tomorrow. When you put these gaskets on, you can put them on the one side, the gasket sealer like Permatex, just to get it tacky to stick. But I'd actually put gasket sealer on both sides of it and let it get tacky for about 10-15, no more than 10-15 minutes, to slap it back on. Okay. I mean, you don't have, if you don't have a torque wrench, you can just snug them up crisscross. But if you got a damn torque wrench, that'd be better if you know your torque specs, which I got a book for that, a hand manual. Move the power steering pump out of the way. That's what's stopping me too. Yeah, I had to remove the power steering pump while the pump's hooked up, but see? If your gas line don't come out, just spray a little penetrating on it. Just pop it. Don't use a torch or not on these, because yes, they will break. Sometimes they get stuck on there, and don't use a metal hammer. Use a soft base or rubber mallet. And before I put these new injectors in, I am going to have to order new O-rings. Okay. There's a little tiny plug pair I've now seen. What you want to take and do, just, you don't want to break the wire, just pull that little tab gently, pull the wire. Okay. I don't know if I can unbolt that or not, but I'm going to try it. So what size wrench you takes? I should have one to fit it. Just trying to find the fucking size. Yeah. It looks like it could be a 15 maybe millimeter. Voila. And these are flexi gear, like gear wrenches almost. These little fuckers are expensive. When they're fixed and the head can't move, they're cheaper. When they're flexible and ratchet, they're more expensive. But the injectors are good. I'm gonna get some new O-rings and put in it. Okay. I just don't know how long this bolt is, but we're getting it, guys. Sometimes you have to use a hammer on those too. Where's your fuel injection removed? I'll clean all this out. And the O-rings get down inside. I got picks in the house. You can dig them out. The injectors look good. I can clean them up with brake cleaner. But I am going to have to order some new O-rings for these on Rock Auto. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 6 O-rings. I'll probably just put like maybe 2 extras in my cart. Well, I'm going to quit the video for now, guys, and I hope you like and subscribe to the videos. I'm going to upload this. I'm going to take it step by step. I could have the intake off here, but all you got to do is take the bolts and shit out now. And hopefully a day or two I could have the heads out, and you could watch me remove the heads. But I don't want to take up too much of my internal memory in my phone storage, you know what I'm saying, to upload this video. And then I'll take and make a new one and delete it. After I get uploaded, I delete them off my camera. But anyhow, guys, I'll talk to you later. Like, subscribe, Lacey and me, my mom, or the cats, and my channel, please. Thumbs up or ring that notification bell. It's select all for me. You know, you guys been great working on this car, man. Coming back to you live again. Finally, after about 5 months waiting. I'll tell you what, man, this gives me cold chills up my arms, up my butt crack, and down my damn spine, man, during these shows for you guys. Right here's what she looks like. I do have to replace these O-rings, like I said. The injectors are fine. I can clean those up. But anyhow, guys, I love you. Much love. and your number one top line mechanic is rolling out. But if you have any questions, if you need your nuts tight and your bolts cracked, you just let me know and you bring them to me and I'll crack them, tighten your nuts so damn tight, you'll never move. But anyhow, guys, talk to you later. That was just a joke of the day. Talk to you later, JC, and I did get new phone numbers for our Verizons. We tried to get them ported. Verizon didn't want to port them over to the Total Wireless Company, so we had to get new numbers, unless you did leave your voicemail on that, good buddy. And Patrick, I'll try to give you my new phone number as well. I already gave you my government ones. We got new phones for Verizon, so we had to switch our companies out. We got new numbers. Anyhow, I'll talk to you guys later. Much love. Peace. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.